Hi guys, this is Julie Reinhardt, and I'm going to show you Google Classroom today just so that you can have a setup for these the next 3 weeks that we are off. So what you need to do is get into your Google. From there, come up here. This is called your waffle. Click on your waffle. When you click on your waffle, you may have to scroll down and you're going to find Classroom. Click on Classroom. And you get something that looks like this. Now, my screen's probably just half the screen because I'm recording, but the most important thing is you're going to see this plus symbol. Go ahead and click that plus symbol, and you are going to create a class. So I'm just going to make this example. And if you want to put in a section, subject, room, that's totally up to you. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to push create. When I create it, you will come to a new page. It takes a minute. And then you get a page like this. Since this is the first time I open this, and it's new, they come up with updates all the time, you can just X out of this. So here is your classroom. Now, to get the kids part of it, right here, you can display it. And here is their code. So you can have them enter a code. Most likely, most of your kids are not here today, so you might have to manually do that. In order to do that, you come over to people. You can add a teacher. So let's say I want to add one of my teacher friends. So I type in her name and I push an invite out. And now she is part of my class. She can make changes. She can do whatever she wants to do. She can put classwork in it. She can update grades, however. But she's invited. So that means that when she opens up her email, she'll see an invite, or if you open up your Google, it will say, you have been invited, please join, and you just click yes. Then the same thing for kids. If you have a class list, right here, you invite kids, and I don't have any students, but let's just say I did. I'm going to put my 2 nephews in here so that I can explain to them what I was doing. Joseph. So there is one, and then I'm going to do Noah Heinzer as well. They'll appreciate this. And then I'm going to invite them. When I invite them, when they open up their screen in the Google Classroom, when you went to your waffle right here, and then you went down here, when they open it up, they're going to see this example classroom right here, and it will say in real big blue, join. They would have to click the join. That's all they have to do. And then they're part of your classroom, and they're going to see everything that you want them to see. So that's how you get kids on there, especially if you don't have a lot of your kids today. Just go ahead and type all their information and it pops up. I just showed you that with Joe and Noah. If you want to assign something, you have to come here. There's 4 things across here. It says stream, classwork, people, grades. If you want to see who's in your classroom, click it. These are the teachers and students that are part of my classroom. And as soon as they click yes, they'll be part of it. We're good. So then to assign something, you have to go to classwork. Do not go to stream. Stream is just telling you what you have assigned. To actually create the assignment, you have to go to classwork. You click on it. Right here, it says create. So you can create your assignments right here. So is it an assignment? Is it a quiz? Is it a question, material, what have you? So if I want an assignment, I'm just going to click the assignment. I'm going to just X out of this, and I'm going to say example as well. Please fill out the answers as best as you. Okay, and then I'm going to add. and I'm going to take it from my Google Drive, or I mean, there was other things that you could do from there as well. So let's just do, I'm just going to give you my 25-point questions. This is from a game we played. So, but then this is what's really cool. So if you come over here, students can edit it so they can make changes on it. I personally would not do that because if they make a change, then it changes everybody. You can make a copy for each student. That's probably what I would do. That way, when they get it, it's their own personal copy, or they can view. If they view it, that's fine. That's just like you view it, but they can't make changes or anything. But even though that you have this, they're not going to be able to do the work right on there. They're going to have to write it on another piece of paper or something like that. This is just so that they have a copy of what the assignment is, and then they're going to have to do it on a hard copy, unless you do a Google form or something to that nature. So I put make a copy for each student. Then if I come over here, I can assign it to, if I want this to go out to every one of my classes, I just click on all the classes I have. And that assignment's going to go to everyone. So you don't need to do this 6 or 7 times. You only need to do it 1 time. Now I can click out of that. I can assign it. If it's only to certain students, I can click on it. And right now I don't have any students in my class, but if I click on it, it'll give you a list of students. And then you would just say who you want this assignment to go out to. So if you're differentiating, you just pick the kids you're differentiating for and then assign it to them. And then you can give it a point value, you can give it a due date, you can give it a topic. A topic is just like if you want it in units. So if I want it as in units, I'm going to create a topic saying unit 1. Very simple. So then once I do all that, I come up to this word assign, I click it, and it's assigning it. Once it's assigning, it's taking a minute. Once it's assigning, right here it is. This is what the kids will see. They click on it again, and there it is. The stream now, if I go to the stream, it just says that I have posted a new assignment. The kids can click on it from here, but this is what it looks like. So it's not exactly what you want. So I'm going to come back, make sure they go through the classwork and click. If you have any further questions, please don't feel bothered asking me. I will help you to the best of my ability. Thank you and have a good day.